Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Montse, this is SOYOGA, and today we're going to do a morning meditation. We're going to set an intention to start the day. So we start the day intentionally. Please join me. We're going to start in a seated position. If you want to be sitting, just with your legs crossed. You can be sitting on a chair. Yes, just make sure that your feet are flat on the ground and that you take a posture. Of course, you can do it in any posture, but I always think it's better if you have a posture that kind of like already induces you into a state of mindfulness, into a state of checking in, instead of just like while you wait for the kettle to boil. You can do that too. But I think it's better if we just find a posture that whenever we take it, our body sends a signal to our brain saying we are checking in. We're going to do a little moment of mindfulness. So find your posture, whatever it's comfortable, and then close your eyes. And again, in whatever posture you found yourself, make sure your spine is straight, not rigid, just straight and soft at the same time. The back of the neck is long, so perhaps the chin is slightly down and in, so really elongating the back of the neck. And as you elongate the back of the neck, the shoulders softly drop down. Noticing your spine as if it wants to grow, expand. The hips are heavy, rooting towards the ground. So once we find our posture, our ritual posture, a posture that already sends a signal to our brain, a signal that these few minutes are for you. These few minutes are to check in. These few minutes are to really find a moment to yourself, for your well-being, of calmness. A moment where there is no external stimuli. There's no phone, there's no social media. It's only you, my voice, and your internal dialogue. Soften onto your seat, softening the body. And start noticing the breath. And as you focus on the breath, see if you can find a bit more softness. Perhaps your arms relax, your shoulders relax, your elbows relax, perhaps your legs relax a bit more. Without dropping the spine, you're still upright. You can lean against a wall if you need to. Just make sure you're comfortable, but that you maintain this dignity. It's a posture with dignity. And noticing the breath coming in and out. And without interruption. Coming in and out softly, smoothly. Noticing the breath in, noticing the breath out. And now I'd like you to look ahead, to your day, the day in front of you, the day that's just beginning. And I'd like you to set an intention. How would you like the day to be for you? And I don't mean a wish, I mean an intention. Something that's actionable and that you can do something about it. How would you like the day to be? And what can you do to contribute to the success? What can you do to contribute to the day being like this? And choose a word or a short sentence that's an action in the positive, like, I will be more patient. Or I will be more focused. Or simply, I will be efficient with my time. Or anything, I will take care of my well-being. What's your one resolution for today? Your one intention? And remember, you don't need to wait for external validation. You don't need to wait for external inputs to go for it. If you want the day to be more upbeat, more optimistic, more happy, then what can you do to help that to happen? Without waiting for the outside world to provide your own emotions, to provide you with how you want the day to be. Once you've decided, just repeat it a couple of times in the present. Repeat your intention mentally. And then just go back to your breath once again, being in the present. Then and slowly take a big inhale. Open your mouth and let it go with a sigh. One more time, inhale. Inhaling low and slow. And then just open your mouth and open your eyes and let it go. Okay? I hope this was useful, and I hope to see you soon. If you like this video, please leave me a comment. That really helps a lot, and it helps me to know if you want more of this type of videos or what other type of videos you'd like to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe and press the little bell notifications. Okay, thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Hello, welcome so much to my channel. Welcome so much. What? Hello, welcome to. Hello, welcome to. Oh my God.